The following segment is sponsored by the Alabama Community College System. Talk of Alabama and the Alabama Community College System bring you College to Career. We take you into the classrooms, labs, and even the workplace to see how your local community colleges are providing the training and education for Alabama's most in-demand careers. In this College to Career, we're learning about the Precision Machining program at Gadsden State.
Students at Gadsden State's Ayers campus in Anniston learn how to use manual and computer-based machines to create parts, tools, and anything else. The parts are used in the automotive, aerospace, and military industries, just to name a few.
Everything in industry comes from machining. Everything you touch, see, and feel on a daily basis comes from machining.
Students like Dylan Mize get to use their creativity.
So it's really crazy what you can make and what you can come up with.
That's the best part for Destiny Griffey, a student in the COMET program.
This is very rewarding, like getting to make stuff, getting to be hands-on.
COMET stands for Consortium Machining Education Training.
It's an apprenticeship program. So actually when the students enroll into the program, they have a job immediately. And as they work in their job, we actually do the same things that industry partners say that we need to be doing for the industry, we do in here. So they're actually getting real world experience in here as working at the same time.
Griffey says she was put in the class as a happy accident and quickly fell in love with the creativity she gets to use.
I honestly really want to help more women get into this program because a lot of women stay away from things like this.
Amberson says people who like to work with their hands and are detail-oriented do well in his class. But even those who doubt themselves at first can find success.
One of my first experiences with a student, they said they would never be able to do the CNC stuff because they just weren't good with computers. And the first part they made, he stepped back and was like, I never thought I could do this. So that's what I really love about it. It's just watching students grow.
As for job prospects, Amberson says there aren't enough students to meet demand in local industries. When students complete the program, they have a bright future ahead of them.
Our program is integrated with mechanical design technology. The student gets an additive manufacturing certificate while coming over here. So when they leave, they can draft, design, make, and even draw a blueprint for a part that they want to make.
For more information, find the Alabama Community College System online and tune in for our next College to Career right here on Talk of Alabama.